Ian from Lee Media. Today I'm talking about what to do if you do not get good support from Amazon Seller Central as a seller. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get going. And I'll try to keep this quick. So here is, I file customer support or seller support cases pretty frequently, maybe twice per month. I know some sellers actually do it a lot more than that. And here's an example. I'm getting an error when attempting to edit this item, and I named the ASIN, and I explained what was happening. I showed the error code, and this particular seller support associate actually gave me a good answer. It's retaining previously submitted product data. In order to clear it, you need to delete your product listing, wait 24 hours, then relist the product with correct information. So I like this particular response because it was very clear what I'm supposed to do. However, this does not happen all the time. Let's take a look at a more recent case. This is one that I filed last week. Incorrect packaging image showing wrong product quantity cannot be edited or replaced. Customers are complaining. I put customers are complaining in the subject line because I really wanted to attract their attention, because in my experience, Amazon's dogmatic mantra is, its customers are, you always have to keep them delighted. I'm not going to get into whether the problems with that particular focus, but they do pay attention to it. So I filed a case. I explained what was going on. The wrong image is being shown to customers browsing this particular item. And actually, I found out about this because a customer complained. It was basically showing an old image showing the wrong product quantity, and then when they got the package, of course, it's not the same quantity that the image showed, even though the description correctly said there were 40 units of this particular item. So regardless, I filed the case. I let them know what was going on, and I got a response that was completely nonsensical. It says, this ASIN, the attribute you would like to update for this ASIN has already been claimed by another representative of the brand. So as soon as I saw that, I knew that this particular support associate, or maybe it's not even an associate, maybe it's some sort of artificial intelligence who answered, they didn't know what they were talking about, because there is no other representative of the brand. This is a brand registered item. I am the only representative. There's no competing offer going on because it's Amazon transparency. So I'm like the only person who can sell this particular item on Amazon.com. So I knew they didn't know what they were talking about. They said I was supposed to reach out to the account of the winning contributor. That means whoever won the buy box, in order to agree on the changes. So basically, this person didn't know what they were saying. And what you need to do when you get a nonsensical or plain old wrong response like this, you need to call up. And the way that you do this is you click. It says need more support, get help. I need more help with this issue. And then do not fire off a detailed message about why the earlier response was wrong. Just go to the phone if that's an option. Explain what's going on briefly. Don't get angry about it, and then you put your number in and you'll schedule a call, or they can call you now. So usually if I reach this particular stage of dealing with Amazon seller support where I have to call them up, usually it gets solved, or they can give me a better answer about what needs to be done. So I found that the support representatives on the phone are generally more capable of dealing with problems. And I always recommend, if it's a complicated case, after you first try doing it by email, which I did, do that by email, because they can see the details and the details are recorded and it's clear what's going on. And then if you don't get satisfaction, then you do the phone support. Do not try to keep on going on email, because I found that if you do that, it's just, you're wasting a lot of time. Oftentimes they can't figure it out, or their AI can't figure it out, and it just leads to more frustration for you, and you don't get the particular problem solved. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to leemedia.org, you can see many more blog posts and videos about topics related to Amazon. Thank you so much for watching.